Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making sheer khurma. Ghee, clarified butter 2 tablespoons, butter 1 tablespoon, chopped dry dates 3 tablespoons. Fry on medium heat for 5 minutes. Chopped almonds 4 tablespoons. Fry on medium heat for 3 minutes. Chopped cashew nuts 4 tablespoons. Fry on medium heat for 2 minutes. Pista chopped 4 tablespoons. Roasted semia 1 cup. Roast for 2 minutes on medium heat. Water 1/4 cup. Sugar 1 cup. Mix everything, cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Semia cooked, keep aside. Milk 1 liter. Condensed milk 1/2 cup. Boil milk for 20 minutes on medium heat. Everything ready, mix and serve. On top add dry fruits. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon. Thanks for watching. See ya, bye.